Welcome back to ReviewTube, your go-to channel for insightful reviews and practical solutions. We all have those things around the house that consume power unnecessarily, and so today we will introduce you to 4 affordable products that not only save money on electricity, but also add convenience and style to your everyday life. Let's explore how you can optimize your power usage while enjoying the benefits of functionality, aesthetics, and convenience. From pathway lights to string lights and decorative solar lanterns, there are many affordable and eco-friendly lighting options which combine stunning designs with effortless installation and the power of solar energy. One of the standout features of Home Depot's solar-powered outdoor lighting is the variety of unique designs available. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a charming vintage-inspired style, there's a perfect match for your home's exterior. The pathway lights provide a guiding glow along your walkways, while string lights add a whimsical touch, perfect for creating a cozy ambience during outdoor gatherings. And let's not forget the elegant and eye-catching decorative solar lanterns that effortlessly enhance the beauty of your garden or patio. And you also won't need a degree in electrical engineering or complicated wiring here. Home Depot's solar-powered lights come with easy-to-follow instructions and require minimal tools. The pathway lights feature handy stakes for effortless insertion into the ground, while the string lights and decorative lanterns can be easily hung in your desired locations. With their user-friendly design, these outdoor lights allow you to transform your outdoor space quickly and without the need for professional assistance. Another fantastic home convenience and power savers are the innovative smart power strips, which are designed to curb standby power consumption, automatically turning off electronics when they are not in use or during designated time periods. The standout feature of Home Depot's smart power strips is their ability to eliminate standby power consumption effectively. Standby power, also known as vampire power, refers to the energy consumed by electronics that are left plugged in but not actively in use. With the smart power strips, this wasted energy becomes a thing of the past. By utilizing advanced technology, these power strips can detect when devices are in standby mode and automatically cut off power supply to them. This intelligent automation ensures that energy is only consumed when needed, helping you save both energy and money. They are designed to be user-friendly, allowing anyone to easily incorporate them into their home or office environment. Most smart power strips simply require plugging into a standard outlet, and they offer multiple outlets to accommodate various devices. Some models may require connecting to a Wi-Fi network and pairing with a smartphone app for enhanced control and scheduling features. Smart window coverings are also a no-brainer with features like motorized blinds and shades that can be effortlessly controlled through smartphone apps or voice commands, and Home Depot offers a range of innovative options that combine convenience, style, and energy efficiency. These window coverings seamlessly integrate with modern technology. By connecting to smartphone apps or compatible voice assistants, such as Alexa or Google Assistant, these window coverings provide you with effortless control at your fingertips or with a simple voice command. Imagine the convenience of adjusting your blinds or shades from the comfort of your bed or even when you're away from home. And they also provide energy-saving capabilities by taking advantage of features such as scheduled open and close times, which allow you to optimize the use of natural light throughout the day while also providing insulation to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Additionally, these smart window coverings can provide insulation during extreme temperatures, helping to reduce heating and cooling costs by preventing unwanted heat gain or loss through windows. Another item that you probably already thought about are the wide range of different energy monitoring systems. These innovative devices provide real-time data on your home's energy usage, empowering you to make informed decisions, identify energy-hungry appliances, and take control of your energy consumption. What you probably didn't know is that one of the standout features of Home Depot's energy monitoring systems is their ability to track electricity consumption in real time. By connecting to your home's electrical panel or individual circuits, these systems provide you with up-to-the-minute information on how much energy your household is using. This real-time data acts as a window into your energy consumption, allowing you to identify energy spikes, wasteful habits, and areas where you can make improvements. They also provide intuitive interfaces, user-friendly apps, and detailed reports that help you visualize and understand your energy consumption patterns. You can easily access this information through your smartphone or computer, giving you convenient access to valuable insights anytime, anywhere. With this knowledge at your fingertips, you can take proactive steps towards reducing energy waste and optimizing your energy usage. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed exploring these affordable and practical ways to save money on power, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Review 2 for more insightful reviews and money-saving tips.